the sun is shining. You want something to drink? Let's make some hot milkshake. Okay, what you need for this one is ice cream, milk, coffee, cayenne pepper, cinnamon, and of course some tools. The most important part is the screwdriver. Okay, so you take some ice cream, vanilla ice cream, and then the milk, some instant coffee, cayenne pepper. Yes, if you want it strong, then you add a lot of it. And cinnamon. Add some ice cubes. And there you have it. Hot milkshake on the beach.